The quiet coastal stretch of Lau Baelelea stands a clinic time-worn but resilient. For years, this modest building has served the people of Takwa through storms, illness, and silence. Its cracked walls and leaking roof tell a story of endurance, of need and of hope. But at the end of last year, that story began to change. A team of builders arrived to gently dismantle the old. And as sawdust rose and hammers struck, the communities came one by one to help. They cooked, they supported, they believed. A new clinic was taking shape, and with it, a renewed promise of care. Now, just weeks away from Easter, it stands near completion. Inside, medicine has arrived, courtesy of the Ministry of Health. A symbol, perhaps, of what's possible when leaders and communities move as one. In Takwa, healing has a new home.